आज हम मौजूद हैं मानिक शॉ परेड ग्राउंड कबन रोड में, जहां 77th आर्मी डे सेलिब्रेशंस मुनक़िद किया जा रहा है, जहां फ़ौजी मुज़ाहिरे, सकाफ़ती प्रोग्राम्स और इंटरैक्टिव स्टॉल्स पेश किया जा रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि लोग ख़ास तौर पर जंग में इस्तेमाल होने वाली असली राइफ़ल्स और मशीनरीज़ का तजुर्बा ले रहे हैं। तो चलिए बात करते हैं यहाँ के लोगों से और जानते हैं इस इवेंट के बारे में।
ನಮಗೆ ಗನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೆಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜೈ ಜವಾನ್ ಜೈ ಕಿಸಾನ್.
We came to know about the event in the newspaper and we were really very much excited to come and see, because we generally don't get to see such events, and with lots of people coming in and lots of vehicles and tankers and food stalls, it's just mesmerizing and it actually feels very patriotic to be here. And I have a son of 5 and it's very refreshing and very good memory for him, because how will he learn? So it's actually a very good opportunity for all of us to come and see it. So I'm very thankful.
What do you like the most about this?
So I was just talking to my husband and I was just saying that they have arranged all the vehicles, all the rings, different kinds of transmitters, and the tankers, the tractors, the trucks and the buses, which we actually have not seen before. So that's the most important thing for us, because we cannot go to the border area and we can see that, but it's so cool to see everything over here placed so nicely. Yeah, thank you.
Santosh here. I came with my daughter who is like 9 years old. This is very good initiative. She liked it a lot, and especially we will not get to access about this army machines and the rocket launchers and all, right? It's a really good initiative and it's first time for us here being here. We liked it a lot.
What do you like the most?
Especially when the army commandos are around, we get to interact with them, we get to meet them, ask them about the questions, how's the situation in the battlefield and all, and it's really good for the young ones who will have like aspiration, right, to become something, especially if they are confused on something, like they have all these charts and all where they can tell us about like what's the career journey to become an army officer or navy or air force, which is really good.
What do you recommend for others?
Definitely people out there, I would definitely recommend to come out here, enjoy the ambience, meet the good people, meet the army personals, exchange the love.
ಸರ್, ಈ ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಡೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಏನು ಗನ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್, ಅವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಡೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅರಿವಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೆರೇಡ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್.
Event is like we can know about our army and our countries, which is very strong base, and we can also know about the various things and ammunitions or about arms. I've seen many guns and rifles today, which I've never seen before. So it's a very good experience.
What inspired you the most?
The most inspired part of this event is the way the officers here are dressed up like that, and the way they spoke to us, and about the information they gave us, like when we asked some doubts or regarding like that.
Well, our daughter is in NCC actually right now, and she's looking as an army as a option. She wants to serve the nation and she wants to do something for the country also. So army is one of the very good options that she has. So now she's doing her second PUC at this point of time. So we are possibly looking at one of the career options also in the army. So that's why we came here specifically to check what all options are available for career options.